What's going on, everyone? It's Jay here with Review It, and today we're going to take a look at the Corsair Strafe Mechanical Keyboard. I just picked up this keyboard, and some of the key features that made me purchase it is because it offers the Cherry MX red switches. It also has per key lighting, and also has FPS, MOBA keys as well, and offers a USB port to plug in your headset or your game controller as well. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up on my setup, and let's dive into it and see how it performs. Alright, you guys, so this is the Corsair Strafe Mechanical Keyboard. We went ahead and unboxed it, connected it to the PC. Let's dive down and see what exactly came inside this box. Right off the bat, we have the Corsair Strafe Mechanical Keyboard instructions. We have the FPS and the MOBA keys. I went ahead and equipped the FPS keys on there for you guys. And we have a key puller. Now, one of the things I love about the keys that came with it is the FPS and the MOBA keys are actually textured and contoured to the feel of your fingers. So that is a huge plus, especially if you're playing games, because you know exactly where the keys are, what keys you're going to be utilizing within those games. Now, right off the bat, looks amazing. It has a nice flat black look. It has the new Corsair logo up in the top left corner, and then has a couple switches in the top right. We have our lighting, which turns it off, low, medium, and high. Then we have our Windows lock key. This will actually lock your window key as you're playing a game, so you don't accidentally open up your start menu when you're playing. Now, when it comes to the lighting, looks amazing, very bright. Right off the bat, Corsair put a red background around the switches that allows these LEDs to reflect off of it, giving you a cleaner and brighter look to this keyboard. Now, this keyboard is equipped with red Cherry MX switches. You'll see them here, that red LED, and there's some of that red background I was just telling you guys about. Looks and sounds amazing. Let's go ahead and take a second and hear what these keys sound like. Definitely what I expect from a mechanical keyboard. Looks, sounds amazing, feels amazing. The switches are very smooth. You know, I barely push on it, and it will actually detect that I pushed the key. So that was something I liked. I didn't have to do a full push to get the input on the PC. Now, the different profiles it does offer, you have your solid, then you have your ripple, where the LEDs ripple across the whole keyboard. Of any key you push, it will start to ripple. So that is a cool feature that it offers. You have your wave, which goes in one direction across the keyboard. You have your rain effect, where it looks like it's raining down your keyboard. Then the flash that goes back and forth within the keyboard. The thing I did like is that Corsair gives you an option to program per key lighting. Now, this is set up for my Battlefield profile, where I actually have the Shift WASD lit up as bright as possible, because those are going to be my main keys of moving around. My other keys are barely lit up. These are keys I'm going to utilize within that game, switching weapons, crouching, reloading, and then any of the other keys I don't use, I have them turned off. So if I am playing this game at night, or even in my office, I'm able to utilize and see what keys I'm actually going to be using within that game. You can have multiple profiles set up within the Corsair application. Also, it does offer you your media keys. So you do have a function key where you would hold and then tap your volume, your pause, your stop, your play as well. Now, you do have your number keys here off on the side, which is also mechanical. Looks and feels amazing. But one of the biggest things I was very surprised I did not expect to get on this keyboard would be the USB pass-through, which is located here in the front of the unit. Now, I do plug in my mobile phone into that device. I plug in thumb drives. I plug in my Xbox controller or even my headset. That USB auto detects anything I plug into it and able to use or even pull files with that USB port. So that is a cool feature I did like. Now this keyboard is 100% anti-ghosting and 104 key rollover. So for this price, which is going for $79.99 on Corsair's website, I am very surprised of all the features that it offered to me. Now, if you guys have any questions or concerns, please leave us a comment down below. We're more welcome to answer those questions for you guys. We want to make sure we keep these reviews coming to you. Now, if you guys want to like or subscribe, hit the subscribe or the like button down below. Until then, this was Jay with Review It.